Hello children. Today let's learn rounding of numbers. In many situations, exact numbers are not necessary. Here is two sentences. First one, there are about 200 students in the school assembly. About 200 students means there are close to 200 students but not exactly 200. The next sentence, the total population of tigers in India is roughly 1700. In this sentence, roughly 1700 tigers means there are close to 1700 tigers but not exactly 1700. The words about, around, then roughly are used to tell the rounded off numbers rather than the exact numbers. Children, now let's learn how to rounding off numbers to the nearest 10. For that, consider the number 38. We have to round off this number to the nearest 10. 38 is between 30 and 40. And it is closer to 40. So, 38 can be rounded off to 40. Here is another method. If the digit in one's place is any of these numbers 5, 6, 7, 8 or 9, then round the number up. Therefore, 38 can be rounded off to 40. Next, consider the number 32. 32 is between 30 and 40. 32 is in between 30 and 40. And it is closer to 30. So, the number 32 can be rounded off to 30. We can also round off this number 32 in another method. That is, if the digit in one's place is any of these number 1, 2, 3, 4, then round the number down. The digit in one's place is 2. So, round the number 32 down. That is, 32 can be rounded off to 30. Next, let us learn how to rounding off numbers to the nearest 100. For that, consider a number 534. 534 is between 500 and 600. 534 is in between 500 and 600. Then, consider this number line. The number line from 500 to 600. In this number line, 550 is the middle number. 550 is the middle number. Then, the number 550 and the numbers above 550 can be rounded up. Number 550 and the numbers above 550 can be rounded up. Then, the numbers below 550 can be rounded down. The numbers below 550 can be rounded down. Then, in this example, 534, this number is below 550. So, this number 534 can be rounded off to 500. Okay, clear? Let's do some more examples. First one, round off the numbers to the nearest 10. First one, 64. We have to round off this number to nearest 10. Then this number 64 is in between 60 and 70. It is in between 60 and 70. Then the digit in ones place is 4. So it is closer to 60 because the numbers below 5 are closer to 60. So this number 64 can be rounded off to 60. The answer is 60. Then next one, 77. 77 is in between 70 and 80. 70 and 80. Then 77 is closer to 80, or 7. The digit in ones place is 7. So it is above 5. Then it is closer to 80. So the answer is 80. Next, round off the numbers to the nearest 100. First one, 835. 835 is in between 800 and 900. 800 and 900. And it is closer to 800 because the middle number in between 800 and 900 is 850. 835 is below 850. So it is closer to 800. So the answer is 800. Next one, 193. 193 is in between 100 and 200. 100 and 200. And it is closer to 200 because the middle value is 150. Middle value is 150. In between 100 and 200 is 150. Then 193 is above 150. So it is closer to 200. Then the answer is 200. Okay.